One of the things you may realize when you're looking around your driveway is that it's not one solid sheet of concrete. Instead, it's several different sections separated by this piece of wood. This piece of wood is actually called an expansion joint, and it does exactly what the name implies. It allows the surface of the concrete to expand in the summer when it's hot and contract in the winter when it's cold without cracking the concrete. This driveway actually has two expansion joints, and you can see what the problem is right here. This piece of wood has already started to rot. If we don't repair that, the water can seep down underneath it, cause major problems in your driveway later on that will probably cost you a lot of money. So the first thing you want to do to get started repairing this piece of wood is take a chisel and make sure that the wood is level with the lowest piece of concrete on your driveway. Now that I have this piece of wood chiseled down, we need to clean off the work surface, because the next thing we're going to do is put a special caulk in this expansion joint, and it needs to have something to adhere to. We want it to adhere to the concrete and not the dirt. So we're going to clean out as much dirt as possible. Now that I have the joint cleaned out, I'm ready to start caulking. I'm going to put a bead of caulk down each side of this piece of wood and then one right down the middle. And this is that special caulk that I talked about before, and what this will do is expand and contract with your concrete, which is exactly what we want it to do. Now I'm just smoothing out the caulk. You can use a putty knife, and I'm actually using a paint stirrer because it seems to be doing a great job. And once you have that pretty smooth, then just take a damp sponge and go over the top of it really lightly to get it smoothed out even more. Now this product does dry really quickly, so you want to do this as you go along, which is what we've done. As you can see, this has really done a nice job of sealing this expansion joint.